ChatGPT Code Interpreter Plugin Redefining AI Technology Beyond GPT-4. ChatGPT, an AI-powered chatbot, has been making waves since its launch in November 2022. It is powered by OpenAI highly potent large language model, GPT-4. With its super abilities, ChatGPT has set off an AI race among the biggest tech companies in the world. Even as tech giants scramble to create the most innovative AI technology, developers around the world are exploring new ways to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT Code Interpreter Plugin Redefining AI Technology Beyond GPT-4. In March, Sam Altman's company announced that it was endowing ChatGPT with the ability to browse the internet with the help of plugins. Plugins seem to have opened a floodgate of possibilities for millions of developers, and the chatbot has witnessed a flurry of new plugins in the last few weeks. What is the ChatGPT Code Interpreter? The ChatGPT Code Interpreter plugin offers a range of functions. It provides ChatGPT with a working Python interpreter in a sandboxed environment. According to OpenAI, the plugin can effectively solve mathematical problems, both qualitative and quantitative, perform data analysis and data visualization, and convert files across formats. While ChatGPT is known to produce codes from inputs in natural language, this plugin enhances that ability with an altered format of response. The new plugin allows ChatGPT to use Python and offer results inside a dialog box. The demo showed ChatGPT doing a range of tasks. For instance, it showed the uploading of large data sets and the chatbot disseminating to identify trends and comparing variables. What can a ChatGPT code interpreter do? The code interpreter can allow ChatGPT to do basic video editing and convert GIF into longer M4 videos into slow zoom, uploading location data, i.e., CSV file of every lighthouse location in the U.S. creates a visualized map. The plugin also extracts color from an image to create a palette (PNG), and it automatically compresses large images when it runs out of memory. Another user on Twitter also shared that the code interpreter can analyze the Bitcoin dataset that he had downloaded from his iPhone. As if its game-changing data analysis wasn't enough, this plugin can also turn images into text files and render animated GIF from scratch within seconds. The code interpreter is also capable of analyzing a user's music taste from their Spotify playlist. Based on all that is being done with ChatGPT Code Interpreter, it can be said that the plugin is a boon to developers and all those testing new use cases of the AI chatbot. The biggest advantage of the plugin is perhaps it can make entirely new workflows effortless and efficient. Conclusion: the ChatGPT Code Interpreter plugin is redefining AI technology beyond GPT-4. The plugin offers a wide range of functions that allow ChatGPT to perform various tasks with ease, from data analysis to video editing. As developers explore new ways to use ChatGPT, the plugin is proving to be an incredible tool for its file uploading and downloading capabilities. With its game-changing abilities, the plugin is a boon for developers and all those testing new use cases of the AI chatbot.